was a mistake committed by our MLAs. MLAs who are trying to protect the ruling party ministers. Ruling party minister had claimed that they were the victims of the honey trap. So we sought protection from Chief Minister. We sought protection from Honorable Speaker. We wanted the respect to be protected. So in this regard, when BJP and JDS MLA protested, the Speaker has suspended our 18 MLAs. This is totally undemocratic. It is totally undemocratic. My first question is, when your own minister, when the ruling party senior MLA and a senior minister has demanded probe into honey trap issue, why Chief Minister is hesitating? Why is he hesitating to give it to a probe? Bharatiya Janata Party, we have demanded a CBI investigation or by a judicial inquiry by a sitting High Court judge. This is our demand. But Chief Minister and Home Minister, they have not given any clarity regarding the probe. The Chief Minister is trying to run away from this episode. The issue is, it is not the question of the respect of two ministers. Now the issue is, this question is regarding all 224 MLAs, because the minister himself has claimed more than 48 MLA and leaders belonging to both state level and national level, they have been the victims of the honey trap. This was a claim made by the minister himself. So our demand is justifiable, it's totally justice. We are seeking a CBI probe. So instead of protecting his MLAs, instead of protecting his ministers, Chief Minister is running away or shying away from handing over the matter to the investigation. So we demand Chief Minister to give the matter for CBI investigation, whereas the Speaker's decision is concerned. It is unfortunate. Being the Speaker of the House, it was his duty to protect the interest of all 224 MLAs. Rather than coming into the rescue of our MLAs, even Speaker chose to fall in line with the ruling party. This is very unfortunate and totally undemocratic. We will discuss with all our senior leaders. We will meet Honorable Governor also, and what should be the future course of action. We'll discuss and we'll take a final decision. We'll discuss, yes, we'll be meeting our Governor.